Well, hello again. Welcome back. This is episode number 8. Episode 8. Episode 7 was a real quick video. It just showed removing the harmonic balancer. And this is going to be another real short video. Although it wasn't a short process, but what I'm going to try to do here is remove the flex plate. So just cleaning up the garage a little bit so there's no tripping hazards, but time to flip the motor over and get that flex plate off. Little problem though I quickly ran into, I realized, well, wait a minute, how am I going to get those bolts off? There's not a whole lot of room to get that wrench in there to remove those bolts. So that quickly became a problem. And although I edited and removed a lot of video here, I tried a million things. I'm not going to bore you with all the little attempts that I made to try to get those. But I tried a couple different things to try to get those bolts off. But clearly you could see there's just not a lot of, horizontal room between the back of the stand and those bolts. So it quickly became apparent that what I was going to have to do was pull out the shop crane and lift up the motor with the crane and pull it off the engine stand to get that flex plate taken off. So anyway, here I am with the process of flipping the motor back over, and I'm going to go ahead and get the shop crane out and hook that up to the block. And what I'm going to do here is speed the video up. There's a little bit of my gardening tools there, gardening project there, off to the left there. But anyway, I'm going to speed this video up here shortly, just to make this a quick video. I'm not going to bore you with all the details of hooking the chain up to the block. I showed that in my video. But anyway, here we go. We're going to fast forward this so I can get that chain connected up to the motor. All right, well, I'm going to lift that motor up and try to push it out off the stand. I got to lift it up just a little bit more before I can get this thing to slide out. And there it goes. All right, so time to remove the, that tube that connects to the stand. Basically, the mounts for the engine stand. Going to go ahead and remove those. Now, unfortunately, I have to admit here, my camera, shortly after I got this black plate, the actual mount for the engine stand removed. Once I got that removed, unfortunately, my camera failed. So you're not going to be able to see me actually removing the flex plate, but just rest assured that it's just a matter of a couple bolts to remove that bolt that flex plate into place, and the flex plate came right off.